Sorry, talking on your video.
Just don't go any further.
Yeah.
We were just joking. She thought I was coming down.
Well, I don't know what noise is. Oh, yeah. You know how to freak a sister out. I'm telling you right now. Yeah, see what she's doing? See what she's doing while there's so many rocks down there? Picture proof, everybody. She is just as crazy as I am.
Let me take a picture.
Take a picture? Look at you. Crazy girl.
Look at all the rocks down there.
Oh, man.
She's like, is it worth going down there?
I think we probably should go further
Yeah.
that way. Because there's so many people here. Probably been people mess with stuff a lot. Here.
Okay. I'm going to really go back to the car and look at these fish. Right?
Are you going to unload your rocks in your backpack?
We're going to walk it down through there and just leave the car there, right? Or no?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Did you guys just realize it's probably slippery right there?
Yeah, one's got his shoes on, the other one has them off. And the one that has them off, started from over here, and he took his shoes off and he started to slip. That's why the maximum.
That one guy had his kid hanging dangling over the edge of his phone.
He was doing this number to him.
Looking at his phone. And look at that big rock down there. He would have cracked
Yeah.
his phone.
That's when I told her, I said, if I'm coming down this way, I'm going to have to go that way. You know, point myself that way. Because we don't even know how deep that is.
Right.
You can see where the rock is. It's not very deep.
And then this